unique model will be this. This is the Pentagon Quick Backpack. So you see that just now that one, the MSP is so slim, right? This one also so slim, but this one, the unique thing he can do is this. Unzip, then suddenly he become 3 times bigger. So if you go out, you carry nothing, you got a small backpack. But when you buy things, you want to put some more things inside, then you just expand bigger lah. Still not enough. One more layer here. You open, zoop. Oops. Then you got one more layer of expansion. So now it's 3-4 times bigger already lah. So you don't want, you just zip it all back lah. The one you zip it all back. You notice the zipper are all damn smooth. It's because it's high-end stuff. Nice and flat profile. And of course, all this strap can be removed and you can only mount it to your vest or another backpack itself.